Good morning. Just getting our live together. Give us a couple seconds.
This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Pause. I'm back. Make it Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the ride. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy.
It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto. Crypto, no more. Wall Street Pete, Crypto in Crypto. We come to you live news every day, Wall Street Pete way. If you like making Crypto in Crypto, hit the like and subscribe. We're here for you live every day. We try to make it 8 a.m., 8 p.m. Eastern time, New York time for you. Crypto news, Crypto TA, who does it better? Nearly 50% of U.S. millennials are comfortable in owning crypto. Nice little article here. It is starting to become clear and clear as the day goes, as the price continues to rise in the crypto market. We will continue to see a big boom. A bank rate survey shows that nearly half of millennials are comfortable with investing in the crypto market. Compared to the 37% of Gen X and 22% of the baby boomers, the result is in keeping with previous surveys, which all show millennials keen on crypto. Very, very bullish. Let's go, Larry. I like that. That's a good one. The results of the survey conducted by Bank Rate show that nearly half of millennials in the United States are comfortable. Specifically, 49% of the millennials were okay with crypto investments. Just went over all that, and I'm trying to explain to you that this is a big deal. Millennials are defined as those who are aged between 25 and 40. So if you are in that range, which, Mike, you are a millennial. You are 50% of the mofos in here. So am I. 50% getting in. This is exciting. Crypto news is getting huge. Wall Street Pete, let's go, baby. Let's get a little refresh. 2.71, shabam. Thank you, ma'am. Woo! Did you see that? 2.71 billion crypto total market cap. Did not know. I come live for you every day. We do not rehearse this stuff. I'm here for you. I don't know what's going to happen on the show until I get the F on. So if you ask me what's going to happen on the show today, I'm going to tell you I have no clue. We do this stuff live. This is a live show. So here we are, and we're actually so bullish right now that Bitcoin is actually going to break out. That's one indicator confirming. For me, make it easy. Almost 1.2 trillion market cap here, getting big, back to the 35 billion, back to the 18 billion. Let's see 20 billion Ethereum. Let's see 40, 50 billion Bitcoin volume, and we're going to be on our way. Currently, right now, what am I watching? This is Bitcoin. Now, what is a good possibility right now on the Bitcoin price, 4 hourly? Please hit the like and subscribe. Even us old foodies like crypto. Hey, everybody can get a piece of the pie. And we'll talk about that in a minute. If you have no money in crypto, not everybody has money to invest in crypto. There is a cryptocurrency you can invest that's free. You can start mining Pi today. I do have a lot of people mining Pi. Really impressed with that. And speaking of Pi, I'm going to check my Pi out really quick if you don't mind. I got to make sure I'm mining. There's a button on the right side of the screen. And if it's not green, then you're screwing up. It's right there. You got to hit the mine button. I'm getting 2.45 Pi per hour. It's a really big deal. And we're going to talk about that in a little bit. But right now, currently, Bitcoin is trying to break out. Going to get resistance. And what I think is going to happen is we're going to get that resistance on this Bitcoin price here. And we are going to not break just today, but maybe tomorrow, maybe November 4th. A lot of people, I've been telling you, November 4th, if you go back to my time-stamped videos, November 4th, there's a special day. And who is lined up for that special day? I got Cardano, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the top three musketeers. I do mean this. If you go back to my videos, and not many people want to watch all the videos, that's why we hit the like, we hit the bell notification, so when I go live, you get this stuff immediately. There is something coming, and that's just in 2 days. So I want to say, I'd like to predict in 2 days, Bitcoin will be trading all-time highs above Ethereum as well. Because it's starting to look like this is already happening. It's starting to already play into it. What is going to happen is exactly what I'm showing you here for days and days and days. See if we peak up a little and then come back and consolidate it in here. If not, it's off to the races for Ethereum. But Cardano in itself, there's something really happening in Cardano, and it's running out of time. There's a falling wedge pattern coming here, and I do see this falling wedge pattern. We're staying very, very relevant of what the falling wedge pattern is made to do. And if you do see, every time I'm in this, it's getting an insignificant pull up and down until the point where it's doing this tiny, little miny things, and kaboom in your room. You'll see it soon. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and Crypto. That's kind of exactly what I've been telling you. There is a move coming. Once we hit the resistance price and I look at the old growth, Wall Street Pete, there it is. I'm looking for 350 on the money, honey. And that's the first pull up. We're talking about all-time highs. We're talking about getting back to a big, big place where you know we all want to be. So this is Cardano. This is a falling wedge. It's a very bullish pattern. Looking to break out to the upside there. Definitely, it's only a matter of 2 days, 48 hours. I mean, if you could sign up for 48 hours of humongous Ethereum explosion, Cardano, and Bitcoin, what would you do? I woke up this morning and did not expect this. I expected Bitcoin to lag a little on this side and go sideways here and then get a breakout. Well, we just looked today and we're hitting a little bit of resistance at the current price of Bitcoin, which is right this second. So this current price right in here, as you can see, it's pretty clear. Touched once, broke up to the upside a little bit, then fell down, started consolidating, right? Getting a falling wedge, and then a breakout is coming here. And now we're going to continue to see what's happening. Is this an ascending triangle? Because it did just break out my ascending triangle. It might be a channel. It might be a nice little channel forming. So let's see what's going on here. What I did want to talk about is the inverted head and shoulders pattern that is forming on this. And I'm blowing my mind just looking at it. It's blowing my mind. Right here is the head. So you see the head came down. It was very, very bearish. It's an inverted head and shoulders pattern. That was the last pull-up of the peak of a bull run will be the head. So as soon as the bull run, the peak is done and we're down, you're going to know you established your head. So this is the inverted head and shoulders pattern coming down as I thought it would be, and a lot of people probably thought I was nuts. This is the inverted bullish pattern. We are looking to establish this shoulder right here. And if you understand on Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing? Well, that's the third into the fourth. Ladies and gentlemen, November 4th, I'm going to have to change the title. Watch this video before November 4th because what's happening is we're creating that shoulder right here. And what's going to happen is that shoulder is going to go parabolic. This is Bitcoin right now, if anyone's interested. The shoulder's going to go parabolic. We're going to be at prices that you've never seen before. We're going to be up here, and I don't know if you really, really understand that. I don't know if the brain is functioning and really comprehending that Bitcoin is on its way. I'm talking about Santa Claus. He's full of lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh for all the boys and girls to come and play. When you see crypto, we'll take you on your way. Oh, I offer one special advice to you. Get in crypto, Cardano, Ethereum too. It's gonna be time to buy gifts, drink some wine, Merry Christmas to you. You're going to be singing Christmas music in your house, and we're going to be flipping out because these prices are cheap right now, and not many people understand that. Currently, there was a little ribbon coming down, tight action. We got to pull up. I'm looking for this to happen. What am I looking for, Anchor? I'm coming on Anchor now. I do everything. What I'm seeing is that, and what's going to happen is my bands right here, the EMA exponential ribbons are going to get tight right about here. And that's when Anchor is going to let me know if I can hit this resistance level that we're hitting on this trend line. And if I can establish over this and break a candle above, right now I got 12 minutes to the next candle at 9 o'clock. This is an hourly. Each candle is an hour. If I can finish the hourly candle above this trend line like we've been doing and come back, we will be bullish to go test back to the 18 cents, to the 16-cent level for Anchor. But what do I see on Anchor that's finally going to take us to on maybe a huge, nice little run that Jasmine did, Jasmine, whatever you want to call it, 22 cents. So I do see that coming. This is another one of my, hey, jump on this morning. And, this is not financial advice. If you would like, you could take a long position with me. I already talked about this on Instagram a while back. We got in at 10.5 cents. So you're kind of a little late. I do apologize about this if you did not get my Instagram. So let's do that real quick. If you are not a follower, because I have 1,200 followers and I only have 300 on Instagram, wallst.p. Go get an Instagram account. It's really worth it. Why is it worth it? What are we talking about? I'm going to go onto my Instagram right here. And this was the Shiba Inu news. And then let's see what we got. How come I can't control? Oh, there it is. So if you look at some of the posts that I post today, this morning, 36 minutes ago, already talking about the Anchor token here. We're looking to break that trend line here, as I'm telling you. And if we do finish a candle above it, we won't be receiving the trend line range here coming back down, and it'll be bullish as AF, most likely touching the 18 cents. So that's something I was kind of talking about there. It's very important to pay attention to this. If you do have it, then get excited. Somebody, one of my followers said, hey, can you do some TA on ASM? I've never even done ASM. Well, my TA was a tad off, but I still like to say exactly as I predicted because this was the bottom. This was the bottom. This was the worst case. We came to the last support list here. And what did this do? Well, this did almost exactly as I said. Now developing some support level at the 18 cents on ASM if you're interested in that type of thing. I've never done TA before. That was my first time. I was kind of excited when I seen what happened. It was almost exactly as I predicted there. But we do have to pay attention to this tightness on this ribbon for Anchor. Cardano, I'm telling you, in November, November 4th, which is 2 more days, I really don't know how much more this is going to hold. There's going to be a breakout coming. And Bitcoin is going to follow. I do believe within the next week, that's going to happen for Bitcoin. As you see, Bitcoin is coming up already testing. So we've already tested a few times in this time frame here for Bitcoin. And it's still really trying as it keeps trying to come up and test. Well, now you know what happens. The closer and closer you get, the more times you ask for the digits, the more time you ask for the number, she'll give them to you. You'll finally break through and you'll have a wonderful night with her. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to break the resistance line so we could take her to the moon and going soon. That's just like asking a woman for her number. You keep asking and asking and asking, and eventually she's going to say yes. 67,000. We are looking to break the 67,000 and get our ass all the way to the 76,000. That would be nice. That's what we're looking for. That's the next move. It's going to take some time, but I do believe in a couple days, Cardano is on the verge of exploding. So take a peek at Cardano one last time. What's happening here? This is the hourly. I'm going to flip to the forwardly. We're looking to go kaboom pretty soon in your room, and I'm serious. If you could see it, it's only a matter of time. There's been a lot of sideways consolidation in here. A lot of people got tired of it, Cardano, and sold it. I would not be one of them. I know what Cardano is. I'm very, very bullish on Cardano. Everybody's talking about all the shit coins right now. Remember this. Remember this day, this conversation this morning. Everyone's excited. Oh, Jasmine, 33 cents. This is great. All of this is fantastic. All of this is amazing. We're making sick dough in crypto. I mean, I can't tell you enough. I'm super excited about all of this. But let me tell you right now, when Cardano does the move that Cardano's supposed to do, $1.96 is going to be an effing joke, okay? You may see $10 during Christmas time, and you're going to be talking about things of this nature like, wow, it was $1.96 60 days ago. And now we have this timestamp for you. We talk about that, and I'm telling you right now, the more and more I see this chart, the more I might keep flipping to everything. I mean, we're now 35 cents on Jasmine. I mean, it is getting ridiculous now. Jasmine is kicking ass and taking mother effing names. And if you sold out with Wall Street Pete at the 21 cent level, don't be upset. I want you to understand, you have to enjoy your profits. If you get greedy and you can't enjoy your profits, you're going to get wicks that come down like this, and you're going to FOMO in at the top. And that's what's going to happen. Instead of doing TA and enjoying the prices of the money you made and the money that you invested and did a good move, stop watching what it's doing. Stop. If you're out of Jasmine, you're one of those people like me, I am out. I took one more fill. I had it at 31 cents. I sold one more because I didn't know it would hit. And I said, all right, This looks like it could hit the 30-cent range. If it hits 31 cents, I'm selling all out. I do really believe that. $7 to $10 by Christmas. Yes, I strongly believe in that. And that may be under. I don't know right now. We got to take it one step at a time, one day at a time, but we're getting a lot closer to the date. The fourth quarter's here, and we're seeing parabolic movements, okay? We're in the right market. I had someone told me they had $400,000 in the real estate market, and it went up 13% in 2 years. And I went, what? 13% in 2 years. You want to laugh your balls off? How about 107% in 12 hours? How about that? This person told me that they had $400,000 in real estate and they had it invested and it went up 13% and they were ecstatic. And I said, that made you ecstatic? I said, can I have that 400,000, please? I said, I will take that 400,000 so fast and turn that into 100% gain in a fucking day that you'll be kissing my ass. That's exactly what I said to them. And you know what? They're now thinking about crypto. They're thinking about getting out of the real estate, and I understand that. That's really smart. Listen, this is a very highly volatile market. You can lose your shirt. You could lose everything. You could cry and say, I had my life savings in this. I bought Jasmine. I was so excited. I thought this thing was going to the moon. So I went in and I bought it 35 cents and I went $100,000 in. Well, you're a fucking idiot. You don't put all your eggs in one basket. Your dollar cost average out. 10 grand at a time. 10 grand at a time. And you know what I'm looking for? I'm looking for the coin that's doing this. I know it's almost impossible to have the balls to find a coin that does this. Guess what? It's called not trading on emotion. You're all trading on emotion. You all want to do TA on this. You want to know what the next move is. If it's not going to $1, we don't give a shit right now. Is there a chance it can? There's always a chance for everything. There's this world of cryptocurrency is endless possibilities. Most of us that are in here first, that got early in this time frame, and this ain't a promise. This is almost a guarantee. You're going to be able to retire earlier than most of the world, of the United States, of whoever else you're around. This is big news. I just want you to explain crypto is it's taking turns. And when you see cryptocurrency like Solana, and this is doing exactly as I said here once again, I have not done TA on Solana in about a week. I want to say I have not touched on anything. And I'll tell you right now, it's gradually doing exactly as I said. We're getting the upward moving like we're supposed to. We're getting the high volatile waves in this sideways action, and we're creating new support levels. We're going to get this, hit resistance, come down, support, boom, bounce off it. Before you know it, we're going to be trading somewhere massive. The next move is 250, 266 on the Solana. I agree 100%. Sold all my rental properties, and I just put it into crypto. Don, Juan, mother effing Calian. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Please hit the like and subscribe. We need to get the algorithm through the roof. I want to see 100 viewers. I want to see 1,000 viewers. I want people to start screaming, Sicto in crypto. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Because I don't know how many channels sit here and do this. Give me a coin right now, one person besides Jasmine. One coin, one token, and obvious Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, and Solana are not allowed to be involved. Give me one asset right now that's on this list that you want TA. We're only doing the very first comment. So it's going to be tough. In the type of way and say, I want TA on this, you're going to get it, and we're going to get off. There it is. Done, my friend. He types fast, or he listens quick. Speaking of sand, quick. So we're going to go right here at FTX. We're going to check it out, scream and shout. Sand, I'm a big lover of sand. Ooh. And I hate the sand at the beach, but I love sand, the gaming token. Sand. So currently right now, this is the FTX. This is the chart for FTX platform. If anybody wants to follow Wall Street Pete, I am on the hourly currently. I'm going to build some TA. We're going to start from scratch. We're going to see what's going on. I see a little bit of a bullish flag here. Maybe a descending triangle pattern, trying to pay attention to what's happening. Ooh, not looking too good at the moment. Starting to look like we may be retracing here. Let's get a couple breakdowns and see what we're doing. Let's do what we do. I'm looking at my direct movement index chart. On the bottom, I got my complete diamonds that I always look for here. And that's why we did get a nice little breakout coming. It told me now we're separating. Now it's ridiculous. Yeah, this doesn't look too healthy on the direct movement index chart. Now I'm at my RSI levels. Currently, the trend is always your friend. We're starting a new trend off the downward slope. This is the hourly, so I want to see what we're doing. Okay, so we can get maybe another pull up, but this isn't looking too bullish. So this is Sand, if anyone wanted to know what we're looking at. It is a gaming token. Sand is going to do some special things this year. It's probably not done. It's just like Engine Token, Man of Decentraland, Chili's, things of that nature, AXS, which is now trading 139. Whoo! So pay attention to these gaming tokens because they are kicking ass, Seabass, and taking names. And speaking of that, real quick, since we're in there, I want you to see what's going on. This is Sandbox, so perfect timing. Sandbox has a beautiful network. If you pay attention right now, what is Sandbox working with? Atari. We got the Matic project in here. We got the Maker. We got Flow, NFT, Opera. Look at all these Sean and Sheep. It looks, oh, I know that game. There's a lot of things in here that's coming into the network for the Sandbox. So yes, I'm very bullish on Sandbox. If you pay attention to here, Token Pocket, there's a bunch of them out here. They are actually building a wonderful network for Sandbox. It's a game in token. This is effing huge. Another big news, and I don't know why I'm not able to get to my home screen here. What's up, Jake? Jake, let's see. I'm trying to find where I'm going here on my stuff. We're not doing too good right now. Okay, so let's see. Here we are. Get into, oh, okay, there we are. All right, so this is another one, another news I wanted to talk about really quick. Ubisoft drinks the crypto Kool-Aid, announces plans to develop blockchain games. So this is big news. This is very bullish. And as I said, once again, Sandbox, AXS, Chili's, Engine, Mana, and all of them are pretty big. Right now, the gaming world is getting huge. The French publisher has been investigating blockchain games since at least 2018. So there's a big reason why I'm going over that before I did the TA on it. It's a strong coin. Exactly. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. So what's going on here is that you are going to get some consolidation or you're going to look for the head. So right now, the head didn't show up on my forwardly. Did it show up on my hourly? No. No, not necessarily. So I'm looking at my forwardly right now, and I'm waiting for one more spring up, and it's the last leg. I could be wrong. Right? But there's times where I'm right on the money, honey. Now, I'm not going to show you something that I don't know is happening. But what I'm going to show you is that there is one more leg up on this. And if there is, this is where we're going to go. Now, I want to get to the hourly. I want to break down hourlies. This is Sandbox, if anybody was wondering what we're doing here. So right there, it's one of the weakest falling wedges I've seen in a while. But, like I said, and as I've seen before, Sandbox is doing something that is going to probably continue the same little flow here. And right about there, you can now start to see the pattern. You can start to see what's going on. I'm going to show a head and shoulders pattern as well. So what it's doing now is it's hopefully getting the last leg up that it possibly can. And if my TA was on point here, yeah, it's too big. That's not right. Give me a second. We got one more leg up. So from here to here is really what I'm looking at. Click clone this bad boy. Let me see what we're doing. It's not a huge spike up, but this is about where we're looking to get. So we've been there already. So 350, I don't see much crazy action coming. There may be another 350 swing come through, but it's really telling me that there's not a lot of volume coming in. What's going on? Let's see. EMA, Bollinger Bands. Bring them in, pay attention, see what's going on. Came down below, so we have yet to come underneath the EMA ribbon. So when we do get this, this is probably going to be the head. This is what I want you to understand. This coming up here, and if this does hit, which is here or here, there's going to be an inverted head shoulders pattern forming. Be careful. This could be the shoulder right here. You don't even notice. And then the head will form up here. And then what will happen is you will get the consolidation. You will see a shoulder inverted come down, and you may actually fall all the way to $1.98 before really seeing something flying back in that momentum. So you may be able to get it for another cheap on the cheap, but I don't know if we're going to go that far. The gaming tokens are way too overbought right now. People are paying attention to the gaming tokens. They're not stupid. A lot of people do their research, so please do your own research. Don't always listen to Wall Street Pete. I'm not always correct. But if I were to sit here and break down my TA, And if I were to sit here and pay attention to what's happening, I am going to dollar cost average out a couple bucks, as I did buy some Sandbox. I'm starting to get into the gaming world. And what's going to happen is I want to make as much potential money as I can on profits on my gamings. This way I can hopefully get this into Ethereum as soon as possible. Because I do believe that Ethereum is on its way, and Cardano. And I think they're getting ready to smoke. Like, they're going to be smoking. They're going to be so hot. So, I mean, right now a lot of people don't see it, but there could be a nice big fall if Cardano, by any chance, starts dying. And I mean dying. Like, it starts falling. I'm going to buy the living dip out of it. And I'll tell you right now, good morning, Gary. It may take us all the way to, and I would be so upset, $1.77. And that would just be a shakeout, because you know what's going to happen next? Tickers bounce, because that's what tickers do. And that's pretty much what's going to happen. That mother effer, if you watch my channel, we talk about that. And if I can't show you enough, this is scenario 1, that's scenario 2. So definitely please pay attention to that. It's a big deal. What were we supposed to finish on Sandboxes? I did not. But I want you to see here, there is a big retracement coming, correction coming once we are finished with the head. So yeah, there's probably one more leg up. Enjoy it. It could be a kaboom too. It could blow my TA out of the water. And what could that be? Well, this is the highest wick I've got. And I call wick. I like to call them wicks. So please, if you don't like it, I apologize, but that's what I do. And there it is. The big move was 460. So break the $4, get to the 460. Let's see what happens. That's what could be. As we sit here and try to get back to the 350, try to get to 350. How about a quick TA? We're not doing TA anymore on any coins. We have to go. We're about to break this 30-minute. But Jasmine, I mean, I just told people the same thing. I said, you have to understand that there's a big head coming. And what's happening is I'm looking at the hourly. Well, this could be still going. This could still be going. It's going to take some time to do what it's doing. But I'm looking at all these charts. It's just starting. It could be just starting. I mean, really, that could be the shoulder that's not even created. It could be nothing. There could be a shoulder still forming. So we have to just really pay close attention to what's happening in crypto. This could be the shoulder, and then this could be the head already. So we have to really, like I said, look at this. Look at this jump. This is what, the last hour candle? So this is this hour that started at 9 o'clock. This is only 4 minutes old, this candle. It's 4 minutes old and almost 5. And what it did, well, it came all the way down to the 25 cents. This just jumped 10 cents down in 5 minutes, okay? It fell 10 cents in 5 minutes. What is that telling you? One candle could tell you a lot. 2 candles tell you a lot more. That thing hit resistance so hard. If you FOMO'd in, you're fucked now. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you. That could be very well. Pull out a couple indicators. I'm getting ready to go. So you're not going to get a full TA of Jasmine or Jasmine. I hate the way it's spelt because I want to say Jasmine, but it should be Jasmine. I'm not a big fan of what's happening right here. Will it come and test back up and play again? There's a chance it will do that. It'll keep going up. Yes, there's going to be a head forming. I'm telling you right now, and you're gonna pop the head, and you'll be very disappointed. And then you're gonna get your shoulder down, and it's going to correct. Nothing goes up forever. You always have to remember that. Look at this sideways action. Yeah, we get another pull up on the hourly. The trend is always your friend until it's over. And I can tell you right now, at the 94, at the 90 level RSIs, that's really not good. Can it go up still a little more? It can. Is it gonna? I doubt it. So that's my TA for you. You like it, you don't. Please just hit the like, subscribe for me. We are a big channel. We like the support. We love the support. We appreciate the support. You guys are amazing out there. I've never had so many likes, so many people really just being on par. I appreciate you. So have a wonderful day. We're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da. Yeah. So this is your captain speaking. Oh, who lives in the pineapple under the sea? Wall Street Pete does. He does everything it's awesome as can be. Let's go, baby. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. I'm out of here like Vladimir. My name is Wall Street Pete. We worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange on actual Wall Street. We worked in the open outcry pit. I busted my ass to learn everything I could, and that's why we're here today, helping you with technical analysis and trying to get the crypto news out to the world and let everybody know. Charlie Kraken Hobbies was in here. Good morning. I love it. What's up, my brother from another mother? Everybody, if I did not say have a great day, have a great morning, please do. It's only Tuesday. We got a couple days to get through. We got about 4 more left, unfortunately, get to Friday, but November 4th. November 4th, November 4th, November 4th, November 4th. Keep that in your head. 2 more days. If we explode November 4th, I have a feeling that this channel is going to go to the moon too. Because I tell you right now, Something special, I think, is happening November 4th. And if I predicted that right weeks before, this is going to be a special day. So the weatherman has spoken. And this is your weatherman, right? I fucking love that movie. And you know what I'm talking about with Will Ferrell. The best movie ever. Have a great day, everyone. Love y'all. Peace in and peace out. I'm in a great mood. If you're not, you're doing something wrong. Have a great, wonderful day.